In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flights with flexible dates. Now, who doesn't love planning a trip? It's exciting to think about all the places you can explore, but sometimes our busy schedules don't align with our wanderlust, or maybe we're just looking for the best deals. That's where Google Flights with its flexible dates feature comes in handy. It's a fantastic tool that can help you find the best deals across different dates. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Flights. You can do this by typing https://www.google.com/travel/flights into your web browser. This takes you directly to Google's comprehensive flight search engine. Upon arriving at the page, you'll notice there's an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to use for this session. It's a straightforward process. Just select the account you want to use. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure to type in your Google password carefully to proceed. Once you've successfully entered your password, go ahead and click Next to move on to the next step. Now you're all set to begin the fun part, choosing your destination. To do this, click on the Choose Your Location option. This step is crucial because it guides Google Flights search algorithm on where to focus its search for flights. Once you've selected your intended destination, it's time to choose your departure and return dates. Google Flights offers a calendar view, making it easy to select the dates that work best for you. But here's where the magic happens. If your dates are flexible, Google Flights shines by helping you find the best possible deals. After inputting your dates, click Done. This action prompts Google Flights to begin scouring the web for flights that match your criteria. But let's not stop there. To really take advantage of Google Flights, click on the Explore option. This feature is especially useful for those who haven't decided on a specific location, but are open to suggestions based on the best available deals. Clicking on Explore takes the potential of Google Flights to another level. It allows you to see a broader range of destinations and deals, potentially inspiring your next adventure. But we're focusing on flexibility here, so the next step is to click on Dates. This opens up options for dates including specific dates, flexible dates, and the length of your trip. To leverage the full flexibility of Google Flights, click on Flexible Dates. This option lets you select date ranges rather than fixed dates. It's perfect for those who have an idea of when they'd like to travel, but are open to suggestions on the exact dates to ensure they get the best deal possible. Once you've selected flexible dates, you finalize your choice by clicking Done. Congratulations, you've just navigated Google Flights with a focus on flexible dates. You're now well equipped to find the best deals that suit your schedule and preferences. Remember, the key to making the most of Google Flights is flexibility. The more flexible you are with your dates and destinations, the more likely you are to stumble upon unbeatable deals that will make your travel experience even more enjoyable and affordable. So, why wait? Start exploring now and let Google Flights help you plan your next adventure with ease and efficiency. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a long vacation, knowing how to use Google Flights with flexible dates will undoubtedly make the planning process much smoother and more enjoyable. Happy travels.